Hi, my name is Lynn Bestel. I'm the solid waste planner for New Hanover County in North Carolina. Today I'm going to talk to you about recycling tires. And one of the benefits to recycling tires, number one, it keeps the litter off the side roads, out of vacant lots. The oils from the tires is not going to leak into the earth, getting into the water systems. So what can these tires be used for? A lot of them, they'll take these tires, they can mulch them up, and they actually chunk them. They can be used for boiler fuel at different manufacturing plants where they have to increase the BTU value in the burning. Regular household garbage at a waste-to-energy plant burns at about 4,500 BTUs per pound. Tires, once they're chunked up, they will burn at about 1,400 BTUs per pound. So you can see there is a value in incinerating the tires. These tires can also be chunked up, mulched up into smaller pieces, and they're run through a trommel with a magnet. And this magnet pulls the steel belts out of the tires. The mulch can be dyed into different colors, and it can be used as decorative mulch. There's a number of different products that can be made by these recycled rubber tires. And in order to take something to make new rubber out of recycled rubber takes 29% less energy than to use all the new product. So that's the facts I've got for you today concerning recycled tires.